Hey everybody, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana.
And welcome to Our Lives Traveled.
Hello. Good morning. Welcome aboard.
Good morning. How are you?
Meraviglia.
We are on board. Just walked through security, all that kind of stuff. We are now on board. First thing we're going to do is activate our car. What a hot mess. They need to have more people at these activation stations to help people figure out how it works. There's 4 in this little lobby area, or 3 in this little lobby area. One of them is just being a pain in the butt. But we finally got it to work. Now we're gonna go check out the buffet. A lot of empty spaces in here. Hand washing station.
Alright, hey everybody, so this is our first meal on board. We did something that we don't normally do, and that is we came to the buffet first. So let's show you what we got. Let's see, I got fish, this is chicken pot pie, mozzarella, Caesar salad. Oh wait, let me show you this. This is, it looks like beans, but it's actually pasta. That's what they said.
It said pasta with creamy sauce or something.
Yeah, so.
It didn't really look like it.
Corey, what do you have?
I have chicken pot pie, some kind of, it looks like pasta with bacon and marinara sauce.
Okay.
Garlic bread, cheese bread, some ham cubes, cheddar cheese cubes. This is supposed to be roasted some kind of chicken, but that don't look like chicken.
That's supposed to be chicken?
That's what it said.
Oh, wow, okay.
This is broccoli, roasted broccoli, horseradish, honey mustard sauce, and then a burger.
Okay.
And grasslands. Always gotta have grasslands.
Yeah. I'm gonna start by tasting their mozzarella. So they make their mozzarella here fresh. Everybody talks about how fabulous it is. So let's taste it. It really is good.
I'm gonna try this pasta with bacon. Nothing to write home about.
Okay. So things that I would get again. The salad was good. I would skip the Parmesan cheese on top. It had a little bitter taste to it. I don't know, but whatever. The fish was good. I like that. The chicken pot pie is an absolute no. The vegetable ratatouille was good. The fava beans, no. The pasta is
with cream sauce.
Skip it, because even if the pasta wasn't thickly, the sauce isn't good either.
So it was okay. Things that I would get again. The burger was pretty good. It didn't taste anything but like a McDonald's burger, but it was fine. This pasta right here was not good. Tastes like Chef Boyardee, but had no flavor. This chicken pot pie, like Dana says, absolute no. This said it was chicken. This is not chicken. This is like roast, and it is not good.
It was so big. I mean, the roast was like the size of a cow. There's no way it was chicken.
It was not good. It's very dry. So overall, I would say the buffet lunch was okay, tasty. I would taste some other things and maybe get some of the same stuff. But we're gonna try dessert and see what the desserts is like. It's not really too crowded in here. I don't feel like there's plenty of seating. There's lots of seating when you first come in. And the buffet line seems like it moves pretty good. It's interesting, if you don't want something, you're gonna have to step out of line and step back into another line. People may think that you're cutting in front of them, but that's kind of what you have to do unless you want to stand there all day. But it's not too bad. I'm okay with it. Having a good time. Let's go try some dessert.
Alright, so we tried out the desserts for y'all. And honestly, the majority of them were just not hitting, to be honest. But there was one standout for me personally, and it is the hazelnut. I guess it's hazelnut cream or hazelnut mousse or something like that. Really, really good. The hazelnut was very strong, but in a really good way. And then honestly, the second runner-up, and when I say this, the runner-up, when I say this, is going to tell you how I felt about the other desserts. The runner-up for me was the jello. It was good. It was fruity. I liked it.
I would have to agree. I think that the cakes didn't really taste like cake. It tastes like a sponge almost. And the frosting wasn't real frosting. It's kind of loose.
I hate that.
Whipped topping. It wasn't even loose. It was like whipped topping, whipped cream. So none of the cakes were good. The hazelnut cream was probably my favorite. Very strong hazelnut. So if you don't like hazelnut, I don't recommend it, but it's very, very strong. It's coffee flavor. And then the raspberry jelly, I like that too. And the chicken was good. I know that's not part of the dessert, but it was on the plate. They had some chicken curry. Is what I saw right next to the dessert. And it was calling my name, so I was like, okay, let me try the chicken. It's very well seasoned, moist, delicious. So if I had to choose a favorite that was on this plate, I would say the chicken. But if we're talking just dessert, the hazelnut cream for sure.
Here's the question. Would you get the hazelnut cream again?
Yes, but I would get the hazelnut cream with something else. So
like the brownie.
Yeah, like the brownie or a donut or something like that. Like I felt
They had donut?
No, they didn't have donuts. I'm saying if they did have donuts, I would take the donut and put the hazelnut cream in it or dip it, or something like that. It felt like the hazelnut cream should have been in a cream puff type of thing. That's what I thought. It should have been in something like that.
It sounded like you said that it should have been in a pain puff.
No.
What would you say?
A cream puff.
A cream puff.
We're gonna go outside now, out to where the pool is, see what's happening over there. Pool area is closed right now. Not sure if they're working on it, what's happening over here. So we're just gonna chill out by the pool and not get in.
Shooting your network. Under that emergency exit.
It's right here.
After you've presented your cruise card for the count, check your life jacket is securely fitted and that the whistle and the light are in good working order.
So we just did the muster drill, had to watch the video on the TV you saw, and then go downstairs to our muster station and check in there, normal like we did on the last MSC. So now they get ready to do the sail away party. We're gonna go check that out and then grab some food a little bit later. So let's head to the promenade on deck 6 and see what the sail away party looks like. fun sailaway party. They started doing the regular cha-cha slide, stuff like that. Dancing. They did a really good job. Everybody started participating. So we're going to see what else is going on the cruise ship now. Oh, this is the solarium area. Let's go up to the main pool deck. Oh, you can't go through that way. Hey guys.
Hello.
Alright, so it's evening time. As you can tell, it looks like it's dark. Went to the sailaway party. That was a lot of fun.
I did not.
And then went to the pool area to see what was going on there. There was nothing really going on. They were playing football on the screen. Went to the bar, got us a drink, and it was really loud at that bar. Like I couldn't even hardly hear me. And now we're back in the room. We're not going to dinner tonight. First night, you know, gotta relax and get prepared for this cruise. So we're just gonna take it easy.
I was gonna say, so as some of you know, so Corey and I vacation a little bit differently. And so while he was out wilding out and having fun with the wretched, I was here and just watching the sail away from our balcony, and it was beautiful. I was listening to my music and resting. You know, the first day we board, I tend to try to just be as low-key as possible and just relax and rest, because I really use, you know, our time to just kind of rejuvenate and stuff. So that's kind of what I was doing, and once that muster drill was done, I was able to come back to the room and sit out on the balcony. Yeah, so we're just gonna order some room service and just call it a night. So one thing I will say that I really like about the room service on MSC, and it'll be interesting to see how this compares to the Divina, but they actually have real food. And by that I mean, like, you can order like salmon or steak or something like that. So it's not just like a sandwich or pizza or chicken wings. Yeah, I'm talking about you, Carnival. No. And that's nice. So if you really, and now it does cost, so it is $7.95, not per item but per order.
This boat is rocking.
It is. But I like that, because if you want to take advantage of that for what I consider to be a small fee, you can actually have real food and not just snacks if that's what you want to. And like I said, I like to be real low-key on the first day, so being able to do that and have some French onion soup and salmon.
And not have to worry about going to the dining room to get it. Or the buffet. So it's good options.
It is.
I like that they have that. So yeah, we're gonna eat some dinner. Maybe go back out a little bit later on tonight, see what's happening. But probably not. And just fall asleep.
We have big hopes and dreams, but you know how that goes.
Yeah. So we're in Ocean's Cay tomorrow. We might vlog that a little bit and show you what Ocean's Cay is about if you didn't see our previous video, but I'm pretty sure there'll be a link there that you can go and check that video out to see what Ocean's Cay is. So we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, you guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.